First set the limits. Then for creating the 3D object, first go to view. You select the views. So initially I am going to draw the front view. So I am selecting the front here. So now go to line command and create a ortho mode on and select 60 mm, then 100 mm, then 20 mm, then 70 mm, 40 mm, then close. Now want to draw this cut, so go for offset. Distance is 10 mm. So from here you offset the line, then same offset, you offset 20 mm. So from here offset this line. So this is the starting point. So from here draw a line from here at 15 angle 45. So now go for trim. You select this and this as cutting edge and select this point. Now this width is 30, so you go for offset, set 30 mm. So from here you draw 30 mm line. So from here draw a line from here at 15 angle 135. So now go for trim and select this. Now delete the unwanted lines which you use for the reference. Now go to view, 3D view, to view, 3D view. Now go for region command, select all the lines and check the one region is created. Now go for extrude, select this plane and go for 50. So now go for view, shade, and go for conceptual. So now you want to draw the wedge on the top side hole. Now locate the top view. Before that you go view, 3D view, go for wireframe. Now go to view, 3D views, top view. So from here draw a circle. So from here draw a circle of diameter 30 mm and radius 15 mm. Now go for view, now go for extrude. Height is 60 mm, minus 60. Now go for subtract. Enter the material from which to subtract, and you select the object to subtract. The hole is found. Now you can shade it and check it. Now only thing, wedge, you want to draw the wedge. So wedge is located in the front view. You can see this, the front view. So you can go for view, set the view to front. Now draw the wedge. The wedge length is 20. This distance is 70. Then go for region. Now you go for view, 3D view, 3D view, southeast isometric. Now go for extrude. The wedge length is 10 mm, width is 10 mm. Select and put 10 mm. Now we want to go for align. So you can have modify, under modify you have solid editing. Under solid operations you have 3D align. Now it is asking for select objects. You select this line object and click enter. Select the base point from here. Second point, I want to fix this point. Similarly, this is a midpoint. Next you can go for move, modify, solid editing. Can have move. So the object. So draw. Go for view. You go for front view. Now draw the line of 40 mm. 40. Then this is 70. And close it. So we had made a mistake. So now create a region and select this. The region is created. Now go for view, 3D views, southeast isometric. Now extrude. Select this, right click and put 10 mm. Now go for modify, move, select this object, right click, you select the midpoint, select the midpoint. Now this object is created.